The next one is data transformation. So this is about either transferring data between two systems that uses different formats of data. So we need to restructure data, whether it's coming from machines or other systems, from one format into another. So this is a lot about data mangling, making sure that data is aligned. And maybe you want to deliver data from one source to multiple destinations, but those destinations use different formats. So being able to do that in a simple way and convert your data in different flavors so it matches whatever the destinations or receiving systems expect. Again, you might need to align data from multiple sources. So this use case depends on the previous one as a starting point. And either you connect two systems together and then the formats are defined by those two systems, your source and destination. But another use case that we have started to see more and more is that you want to use this tool to take your machine data and as quickly as possible turn the data into a standardized data model that you then use throughout the factory floor from all your machines. So you want to convert your machine data into a standardized data model as quickly as possible, because then that will simplify the rest of the data infrastructure that you have on the factory floor. It can then be a lot more homogeneous infrastructure where you don't have to deal with different formats and flavors and protocols and so on. So that is another reason why you want to do this. So it adds a little bit on top of the previous use case, but it as always starts with collecting data, aligning data, normalizing data formats. Maybe you want to create a standardized internal format and then from that generate multiple output formats to match different destination systems.